Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Design, and today I am here, you guys, to share with you, oh my god, I'm so happy with this project. A project that I created for Beebeecrafts. Yes, you guys, oh my goodness, I'm so like enamored right now. I cannot. So you guys, some of you guys have seen the haul that I received, the items that I received from Beebeecrafts. I'm part of their YouTube affiliate program, as many crafters are. Definitely make sure to check out all of the amazing talent that is roaming around here on YouTube. There's a lot of awesome projects created with some of the items that we've been receiving from Beebeecrafts. And I received different packs of like these fox leather / vinyl type of materials. And this is the holographic one. The color that I used was this brown one. This is supposed to be brown. I don't know if you guys can really see it too well, but it's like a brown when you see it up close. They're beautiful holographic type materials, and they're 8.5 by 11, I believe. And so I went ahead and used some strips from this to embellish my project, you guys. And oh my goodness, I love just what it added to the project. So this is what I created. And I was trying to do an actual project process video for this, but honestly speaking, you guys, the process was just so long. And between stopping the video, starting the video, there was a lot of parts that I did miss. And so I just basically trashed the process video. However, if you guys are interested in seeing how I went ahead and made this, then let me know. I will probably do it in a live video because, again, this is going to be quite a little bit of a process, so it'll probably be during a live stream. But if you're interested in seeing that, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear that. And so this is what I created, you guys. I'm going to show you what the front of it looks like. And as you guys can see, we have all of the vinyls in strips. And I added them to like the little planks that I added. And I made this box from chipboard. You guys know that I have really nice thick chipboard. This is what I make my designs with for my shop, as well as my chipboard journals and just all the different types of chipboard projects and crafts and things like that. That's the chipboard that I use. And so the whole box was made from scratch, you guys. Everything was made from scratch. So the measurements are not 100% as well. It's the base is just like, I think by like a centimeter or two, a little bit longer than the actual top, but it's not too much. But you can totally tell. You can totally tell when, especially when you have it up close, because you can see like it's a little open, but it's okay. Because I am going to close it up for you guys, for whoever ends up winning this. Because yes, you guys, this is going to be in a giveaway. And so you guys, I went ahead and added the strips to the entirety of the box, and I skipped one just so that I can make sure that I had a nice contrast. And so the whole box has like this holographic detail to it. Super cute. All of the embellishments here in the front are a mixture of these wood chip gears, as well as some of my like resin pieces that I shared with you guys not so long ago. These were like the little number buttons, which you probably can't see too well on my hand because they're so white. But I will show you a little bit closer up. So these were the little buttons that I made when I did a DIY on how to create your own silicone, silicone putty so that you can mold things. And basically we have all these little gears. These are all a mold that I created from some actual metal gears. And this here in the bottom are these little flower, they're like little flowers, but they're like trim, plastic trim. And what I did is I just basically added a little bit here, and then I added a whole sleeve of it, wrapping all the way to the base of where the box actually folds. On the sides, I didn't do much, but I did go ahead and add some trim that I folded over towards the inside just to kind of protect the edge a little bit. And I wanted to give it like this worn out kind of look to it. So hopefully I achieved that to a certain degree. I might go ahead and add some more things in here, but I'm not quite sure as far as embellishments are concerned. Here in the bottom, what we have is, this is a Prima, I believe, Prima mold that does the keyholes. Here in the bottom, we have a metal embellishment that basically is just to mount this on top. And here in the bottom, we have two little gears as well. These are actual metal little gears here. These are not resin. And then I did a little hook here, but unfortunately my box, once I added like all the other trims, now it doesn't want to close. So I'll probably have to use some kind of fastener just to kind of hold the box closed so that it stays closed in shipping. And so this is what the outside of my treasure chest looks like. I love it. I'm going to be putting some pictures up. So if you're following me on social media, then you'll see that. I just finished it today. And I say that it's finished because I ran out of ideas at this point. My mind was like, okay, I don't know what else to add to this. But we all know me, and I will most likely be adding more stuff to it as we move forward, or as we move closer to the giveaway day. So this is going to be to house resin pieces, you guys, that I'm going to be doing a giveaway for on my channel. And it's going to have an assortment, all different kinds of like resin pieces, you guys, all different kinds of resin pieces. I want you guys to have a nice assortment, like a nice plethora of just all different kinds of pieces. So you're going to have some frames, you're going to have all different types of small, medium, like all different types of resin pieces that I'm going to be casting. And on the inside of this, I used this Prima paper, which is French, the French Riviera collection, and it's by Frank Garcia. And this is the item number if you're interested in it. And this is what it looks like. This is the name. And this is the paper right here. This is the sample piece that I have left over. So it's like this on one side, which is the side that I decided to use. It's got like this really pretty mapping on the inside. And the whole theme for this giveaway that I'm hosting on my channel is kind of like treasure lost and found type of thing. This is what the back of it looks like. But it just had too much stuff going on for what I needed So I thought this one would look, looked a lot nicer to decorate the inside. And so that's basically what I did. So I added a little pocket. You guys can see how dimensional this is. It's got rope, gold and white rope on the inside. It's got the trim. I left the trim white on the inside, although I did paint it, to match the box on the outside. But I did leave it white on the inside. This is a pocket right here on the inside as well. And you can basically add, a card. You can add some little goodies. You have a little bit of room, not too much, but you do have a little bit of room. So if after you've used up all of your resin pieces, you want to use this like a keepsake box, you totally can. And you can add more to it if you wish. You can add compartments, whatever you like to do with it. Once you have it, it's yours to do with whatever you like. And then here in the bottom, I just decoupaged this really pretty image of two lovely ladies by the beach. You guys know I love me some sea themes, and I think treasure chest falls under the sea themed category because it's something that you have to basically travel. We have pirates, we have all these different types of things, and so I thought that this would be really, really cool, and it also kind of represents me in a way, because again, I really, really do love me some sea themes, just about anything and everything, as you guys can see here. Anything with water, fishes, stuff like that, I love, love, love. And so this is just to kind of show you guys just how big, because look how big this is, and to show you just how much room you have. There's going to be, like I said, a nice amount of resin pieces that I'm going to be including in this giveaway. And so this is what the box inside looks like. I left it rather plain because I am going to be adding all kinds of things in here. And since I'm going to be adding all kinds of things in here, I didn't want them to be like knocking the embellishments off. And so I figured instead of gluing them down, I might as well include them, right? Include them in the giveaway. So I'll do that. If you want to decorate it further once you receive it, again, once it's yours, it's yours. You can do with it what you wish. But I wanted to share with you guys this awesome project. Thank you, Beebeecraft, because honestly speaking, this vinyl just gave it the perfect touch. It made it so unique. And I think it really gives it that pop element. And I love how it looks all the way around. And I didn't want to overdo it because I wanted the focal point to be basically like, I wanted this to really stand out, like all of this beautiful vinyl. I wanted that to really, really show, you know, on the piece. I felt like adding more stuff was just going to kind of bury all of this. And I didn't want that to, you know, get lost in the sauce. So I want to share this with you guys today. I want to thank Beebeecraft once again for their awesome program. Honestly, it's so awesome because you get to, you know, kind of like engage in all these different things that you normally probably wouldn't have used. Like I probably would have never tried this on a project like this, but boy oh boy did it come in handy, and I'm super happy that I had it. I'm super happy that I had it, and I'm excited to see what other projects I'm going to be doing in the future with these yummy materials. Let me take the focus off because I think we're good on focus here. Let me take the autofocus. There we go. So that it doesn't keep going in and out while I, you know, show you guys. So this is what it looks like. And to color this, to give it kind of like that patina-ish kind of look, because I didn't go too crazy with the patina as well. Again, I didn't want to take away from the richness of, you know, the luxuriousness of the vinyl. And so the colors that I use to ink up the inside, I use Faded Jean by Ranger, which is a distressed oxide. I also use by Deco Art the Brilliant Turquoise Metallic Luster. I used by Finnabair the Firebird Wax. I also used by Deco Art this Island Blue acrylic paint. I used, for most of the brown that you see on the box, I used Rich Espresso, which is a metallic paint by Deco Art as well. Let's see, what else did I use? Oh, and I used this matte metallic flat. It's actually like a flat metallic paint by Deco Art as well in the emerald green, to just kind of give it a few little darker tones of green here and there. Nothing too major, but that's basically the colors that I used to kind of color all of this out and to add like all that, you know, the strokes and the dimensions and all of that. And I did that with a rake brush because it's kind of it's like not really even on the end. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but it's not really even on the ends. It looks kind of like a rake that you use to rake the lawn. So it has like all of these, you know, separated fibers, which is really awesome for like, you know, adding those little streaks of paint and, you know, not catching paint everywhere, if you will. But this is my project, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that you found yourself inspired. Real quick, before I let you all go, make sure that you check out my giveaway. If you haven't checked it out, it's the challenge of the lost and found. It's a challenge where I challenge you to find ornate, interesting, dimensional type objects that you ship to me so that I can mold them and create different molds. And those will also be included in the giveaway. They will also be included in here, like the molded pieces, you know, the resin pieces will also be included in here. So I do hope that you get a chance to check that video out. And if you do find some ornate things around your home, you know, wherever you go, then just keep me in mind and be like, hey, this would be cool for Carmen to mold. So just put it to the side and ship it to me. So you guys, I'm going to leave a link to all of this, the video, my giveaway video, their Beebeecrafts, all of their links as well. I'll have some pictures up on my social media later on today, so if you want to go and check that out, if you don't follow me, please do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, all right, you guys. A day in the life, a day in the life. So if you guys want to check that out, please do so. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will greatly appreciate it. And more than I will appreciate it, YouTube will be like, hey, these people like this girl's content. Let me share her content a little bit more, and that will go a long way to helping my projects, my art style, you know, all of that good stuff to get shared throughout YouTube's crafting community. And that's an awesome thing, you guys. So I want to thank you all so much for your time, because I know your time is valuable. Thank you guys so much. I would really appreciate, like I said before, for you guys to comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, but don't forget to hit that bell, because that bell will tell you when I'm live. It will tell you when my videos come out. It would also show you my community post, you guys, and I do giveaways through my community posts that I don't necessarily make videos for, so it's very important that you guys hit that bell. If you have not hit that bell, make sure that you check that bell right now. Even if you are subscribed to me and you think that you might have hit that bell, just re-hit it again and make sure that you select all, so that all of the notifications pop up, because there's going to be a lot of giveaways that I'm going to be doing moving forward coming up. A lot of them have to do with my shop, happydaycrafts.com. A lot of them have to do with my channel, so you never know. All different types of goodies, all different types of fun activities, projects, and all just you guys, just hit the subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Look, I got paint on me. I'll see you guys later. Bye.